What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I want to talk about how I've already completed my silver stacking goal for the year 2019, and we're also gonna unbox some silver. Let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. This is going to be a sweet one. We're going to unbox some silver in this one. I'm very excited. And I do also want to show you all that I have completed my goal for the whole year for silver stacking, and it's only June, so absolutely incredible. I got another tube of American Silver Eagles. These are all 2013s, and they're all beautiful. Oh my goodness. So I got these from my LCS the other day. I actually bought them before silver's jacked up. I don't know if you've been watching the markets, but silver has gone up considerably over the last couple days. But either way, I bought this before the price spiked, so I got a really great deal on this. It was right around $3.40 for the tube. Super excited. I already opened it up and looked through them, but I'll just show y'all. They're all 2013s. If I can get this open. These mint tubes are incredibly hard to get open. And yes, I did get them from my favorite shop, Center Street Gold and Silver in Tigard. So here, I'll show you the top one there, 2013. Oh my goodness, so awesome. I just love these. So we got a full tube of them here. I'll let you guys listen. Yes, awesomeness. So here they are. Very, very cool. So my goal for the year was to stack 100 of these babies, and I've now done that. So we got 100 American Silver Eagles. Actually, I figured when I put them back in, this would be a better way to do it. There we go. Okay. So we now have 100 American Silver Eagles. We got 5 tubes of 20 here. This one is sort of just, you know, BUs. They're mixed years. We got a tube of 2015s, tube of 2012s. I got a killer deal on those. And then this one is the sort of more toned and I suppose less desirable for some. Some people like the toners. But yeah, it's crazy. I mean, my goal was just to stack 100 American Silver Eagles for the year, and I've already done that. I'm not exactly sure what's next, right? So I think I might just keep on stacking Eagles. My actual goal is a 5-year goal. I want to stack 500 of these, and so I was just going to do 100 a year for 5 years. But since I'm doing so well, you know, I might be able to speed up the process and do a whole monster box in just 3 years. That'd be crazy. If I do 180 Eagles this year, then 160 over the next 2 years, that would be the whole 500. So I might try and do that. I'm not sure. But let me move these back a little bit and we can unbox some silver here. So this was from Provident Metals, and let's get it broken open. And this was from their Memorial Day sale. Let me move it out so we don't get any info shown. Don't want any. Here's the silver, okay, and get that slip out of there. Oh, and we do have a magnet. So we got the Aztec. Yes, I don't think I have one of these yet. So now I have the World of Dragons, the Aztec magnet. Have to add that to the safe. I really hope I see the rest of the World of Dragons series in magnet form. That would be really cool, Providence. So, but let's see what I bought here. So it was their Memorial Day sale. They had a crazy deal on Eagles, so I picked some up. Even though I've already gotten my Eagle deal for the year, I figured, you know, let's keep going with these puppies. So as you can see, we got some 2019s, and they're all BU. Obviously, I mean, they came out this year. I don't really know how they would get incredibly toned. And we got 6 of them. So I really wanted to pick up a whole nother tube, but I didn't have the money. And that's the thing, when you're stacking silver, sometimes you'll see these outrageous sales and you'll just want to pick up as much as you can, but you don't have the funds on hand, so you can only stack what you can stack. But regardless, I've got another tube here. So we will start our 6th tube. It's so crazy. I mean, I'm almost doing a whole tube a month, right? That would be insane if I could do. 12 tubes this year. I don't know that I'm going to be able to. I do have a lot of stuff that I want to buy. I mean, I'm doing a lot of series right now. I'm doing the World of Dragons series. I'm doing all the Disney. I'm doing all the Star Wars BU series, the Dragon Restrike series. I got a lot of stuff I'm trying to collect, and so I know I'm going to have to be purchasing some more in the future. Let's take a look at this guy right here, or this lady, I should say. Very nice. 2019. Absolutely gorgeous. It would be cool to get a whole tube of 2019s, so maybe I'll try and buy 14 more of these, and then I'll have a whole tube of them. I actually only need to buy 13 more because one of the ones in my BU tube is a 2019, so I could swap that one out if I needed. But, oh man, I could just look at these all day. So let's get these opened up here and we'll get our new tube started. But yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep stacking these as hard as I am. And also, I do want to be picking up some gold. My personal gold to silver ratio in my stack is outrageous. It's definitely in the thousands to 1. I mean, I don't have thousands of ounces, but if I was to break it down, that would be my ratio. And so I do want to pick up a little bit more gold just to sort of diversify, although I know the price of gold is just screaming right now. And hopefully we'll get another dip down, a better buying opportunity. I did post recently on my YouTube channel, I said, who else is sad about the sale possibly being over? And I had a bunch of people comment just saying that, you know, maybe the price of metals will go back down again. It seems like right now the dollar has gotten weaker and price of oil's gone down, and the price of metals have gone up. So we'll see if we still have more of a buying opportunity to come, or maybe the surge has already started and we'll see prices just continue to climb, which would be unfortunate for us that are trying to stack at these low prices. I mean, all of these eagles that I bought, I mentioned I got them on the sale. They were all under $17 per eagle. And so I had to buy 6 of them to get over $100 to get the free shipping on Provident. A lot of websites do the free shipping at $100, so it was like, I think it was like $101 for all 6 of these. So that's really not that bad at all, and that's a crazy deal. That's the best deal I've actually ever seen for brand new BU American Silver Eagles. Just under $17 per eagle. And I'm just kicking myself. I wish I had more money to be able to stack more of these when that deal was around, because it was only like 2 or 3 days. But, you know, I bought as many as I could. At least I was able to take advantage of it somewhat. So that's awesome. Let's take a look at the last one here. The last 2019. So cool. So anyway, I'm definitely going to try and fill this tube. Hopefully there'll be some more sales. I think we can maybe expect to see a sale for the 4th of July, and then also obviously Black Friday will be later in the year, so I'll definitely have to try and save a little bit of money for Black Friday. But let's get these added to the tube, and it is easier to add them this way, I think, upside down, especially the ones in the bottom. They just, I don't know, they don't want to stick too well, but there we go. And then this one, of course, you got to put sideways. The ones that are already full, you got to use your knife to get the lids off of the tube, I mean. But if you put them sideways, much easier to pop off. So anyway, that's how much we got so far now. So we got, oh, actually, I can even stack them up like this if I wanted. And then one on top. So we got 106, I don't like that, but we got 106 American Silver Eagles, which is absolutely crazy. I didn't think I would be doing this well this far into the year, but let's throw that on top. That's kind of cool. But you know what? I've just been blessed. I've had a lot of money come in from different things that I've sold, and I've been doing really well on returning cans recently, and also a little bit of kickback from YouTube really helps for picking up silver. So that's how I'm doing. My goal was to just get 5 tubes. I'm now working on my 6th already, so I'm gonna keep stacking these, but I might try and stack some more gold, obviously, and then I want to get some more constitutional silver for my base stack. Those are some things I really want to work on. But anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about the price of gold and silver going up crazy recently. Do you think it's going to keep going up? Do you think we might peak out and then dip back down, which would be really nice for another buying opportunity? So yeah, anyway, that was the video. Just wanted to show you all that, and I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.